When I was playing Carlson, I got this comment. Release Carlson, or you can't do that. I can easily do that, right? Well, I've never released a game, so yeah, let's try to do it anyway. So let's look at the level. There are 448 and another 3, which means there are totally 11 levels. And I'm pretty sure that I can't do that. So let's try to make one tutorial, another one sandbox. Try to make, I think, escape zero. That's it. Oh, you don't know what I'm doing? Well, I'm recreating Carlson. Oh, you're wondering what Karlson is? Well, I'm glad you asked. Karlson is just a game Dani is working on, which is currently the 28th most wishlisted game on Steam, so go wishlist now, gamers. So first up, I made a simple box. Yeah, that took me a lot of time. And now we have it, a box. And that's it for today's video. If you like the video, smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. Okay, just kidding. But don't forget to subscribe. Let's get back into the video. Now we have to add the run wall. I've simply added the run walls and it's time to test it out. Well, that did not go as planned. Let's now simply readjust the cubes. And now this works. Wait, what? This isn't going really well between these two walls, so let me just remove one of these and so now and yeah, this is way better. I know guys, this is taking a lot of time, so let's speed things up. So this is the time lapse of me making the level. If you think this is boring, you can skip to this timestamp. Here's the gameplay. You might be thinking, Satya, this is a little different from the Dani's game. And yeah, as once an old man said, levels no need to be same. So yeah. So guys, that's it for today's video. In the next level, we are going to make another level, and the video after that, we are going to make another level. So if you like the video, smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye.